In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Xero email templates for invoices and quotes. By the end, your quotes and invoices will go out with clear on-brand messages that set the right expectations and reduce back and forth. First, open Xero and look to the top right of your screen. Click your name or initials to open the account menu. From that dropdown, choose Settings. This takes you to your organization level controls where email wording lives. Inside Settings, select Email Settings. This is where you manage the default messages that accompany the documents you send. Now switch to the Templates tab to see the different document types Xero can email on your behalf. Start with the Quote template. Click Quote to open the editor. You'll see a subject line and a message body. Keep the subject short and unmistakable so it stands out in your customer's inbox. Something straightforward like, "Your quote from our team is perfect." In the message body, write a friendly, professional note that explains what the recipient is getting, what to do next, and how to write to you if they have questions. Keep it concise, avoid sensitive details, and use a consistent tone that matches your brand. Xero supports dynamic fields that automatically pull in details such as the customer's name, the quote number, and key dates. If you use those, they'll save time and help keep each message accurate without manual edits. It's also smart to mention where they can view or accept the quote, especially if you share quotes online through Xero. Once your wording looks good, click Save. That locks in the changes so every quote you email will use this updated message. Now, repeat the process for sales invoices. Return to the Templates tab if needed, then choose the sales invoice template. Adjust the subject to make the purpose crystal clear. For example, "Your invoice from our team," and refine the message body to confirm what the invoice covers, when payment is due, and the accepted payment methods. Keep it friendly but direct and avoid clutter. Short paragraphs work best. If your Xero setup includes online payment options, your customers will typically see the right link automatically, so you can keep the email text focused on clarity rather than duplicating instructions. When you're finished, click Save again. That's it. Your updated quote and invoice templates are now ready to use, giving customers a consistent experience every time. You can revisit these settings anytime as your communication style evolves, ensuring your emails stay clear, professional, and effective.